Simon at Raptor Dynamics. Today we're going to talk about the Vector Smart Charger. This charger is an all-in-one high-speed charger for the HD580 model drones. It will charge one of the batteries in about 10 minutes. There's a couple different power inputs available and included with the charger, including a 50 amp charging socket like this. There's also a standard wall socket that charges a lot slower. To get the full speed of charging, you do need to run a 50 amp harness. For a generator, if you're using a generator, we recommend at least a 12 kilowatt generator to run it. But it's a very simple charger to operate. It just has a simple power button here to power it on. You put the battery in, it automatically starts charging. You do have some options on the display here to adjust the charging speed, so you can run multiple chargers on limited power inputs. You can pause and start the charge. It also has Bluetooth connectivity options to communicate with the remote controller to feed important data over to the pilot directly to the remote. So again, very simple, straightforward system. Not a lot of cables or stuff that you need to run it. You just need the charger, the power cord, and a battery to drop it in.